So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here, another trending meme coin here, more than $300 million market already, and within just last 30 days, this meme coin is pumped by almost 18,000% here. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin, but still this meme coin is no listed on many major central exchanges. Just two central exchanges has listed this coin. So right now it's possible that we can see its major central exchange listing soon, and maybe it's also possible that this meme coin can list on Binance also. The video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. But friends, before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided you these all my crypto addresses links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to join my Telegram channel and you have to click here and pin message. You can get my crypto addresses here, and you can support Sky Crypto channel by these cryptos: Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana for the next 1000x potential meme coin. Just like friends, I shared a meme coin with you. Its name was Smoking Kitchen Fish. I think 2 months old video, and right now this meme coin is almost 8 to 10x from this video. Okay, so there are too many other meme coins as I have recently shared with you, and I have buy these meme coins. So if you don't miss any other meme coin and other 1000x potential meme coin, so you have to support Sky Crypto channel. France Musto Snap $0.3 current price is pumped almost 60% here. You can see chart is looking awesome here, very bullish chart. Last 1 hour pump by almost 5%. In last 14 hours pump by 60% here. Last 7 days 800% pump. In last 14 days 1000% pump. But in last 30 days, in just last 30 days, this meme coin is pumped by more than 18,000% here. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. $306 million market right now. So this is again amazing, and $38 million trading volume for this meme coin already. The best ecosystem meme coin, friends. You can see best ecosystem meme coin just like Bread, Toshi, and I can see another dog theme meme coin on Bastion. Right now, this meme coin on its all-time high. You can see $0.3. We are only 2% down than its all-time high. That was just 2 hours ago, and we are 81,000% up than its all-time low. That was 3 months ago. So performance from this meme coin is amazing. But you can see, friends, still there's no many major central exchange listing for this meme coin. This is Bbox exchange, central exchange where this meme coin listed, and other exchanges xt.com exchange where this meme coin is listed. So still this meme coin is no listed on many major central exchanges. You can see xt.com, but it's still CoinX and MEXC, Get.io, lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. But it's right now this meme coin has massive hype here and awesome performance. So it's also possible that we can see Must Dog listing on major central exchanges soon. And first, you can see website is looking good. The real dog on base. Okay, so the real dog on base. What does the must present? Okay, so you can check out all further details here about Memecoin on their website. You can join their social communities here, and it's all further details. So you can see friends, tokens no doubt looking good, and 100% community owned meme coin, zero bank signaling tax, 1 billion coin supply. So this is good, and it's all further details including its roadmap are provided here, and you can also join their social committees for the latest updates. And first, right now this meme coin is also trending on CoinCo. I will show you here. Okay, when I'm clicking here in trending coins, okay, you can see trending coins: Bitcoin, Render, Sui, Pepe, Solana, and right behind Solana, you can see Muslo. Right now, this meme coin is trending on CoinCo. So this is awesome. That community is very active, very amazing, and more than I think 6,000 people. Okay, more than 6,000 people has added this coin into their watch list, into their favorite list on CoinCo. So this is another good thing about this meme coin. And friends, now my price prediction about meme coin is that its no doubt market cap is already $326 million. That's already huge. But as I will show you, this meme coin is still listed on just two central exchanges. So lots of central exchange listing left for this meme coin. When it will be listed on all other major central exchanges, then definitely we can see this meme coin in $1 billion market cap in next 8 to 10 months. Okay, means after 8 to 10 months from now, this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin, because Bastion has highest market cap frog theme meme coin, that is Bread, but Bastion has no any high market cap dog theme meme coin. So I think this dog theme meme coin can be the number one meme coin on Bastion. But in short term, maybe we can see a good jump in this meme coin price, definitely. But after that, this meme coin can skyrocket and we can see major signs like saying listing soon. But friends, if you're not also making investment in this meme coin, make sure to do your own research and then invest here. But I think personally maybe we can see a good dump soon in this meme coin price for short term, and after that this meme coin can recover and will go to the moon.